Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best bed liner kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your truck. It's designed to protect your truck bed from scratches, dents, and rust. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of bed liner kits, exploring different types, installation processes, and the long-term benefits of keeping your truck bed in top shape. Let's find the perfect kit to safeguard your truck's cargo area. Number 5. Raptor Black Urethane Truck Bed Liner Kit. This 2K urethane coating is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. It resists stains, scratches, and extreme temperatures. It also stays flexible to reduce road noise and vibration. The kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with bottles of black bed liner base, hardener, and a spray gun. It covers a 6 feet to 8 foot truck bed. Applying this product is simple. Just fill, shake, and spray with the included gun. It bonds to OEM paint and primer for superior adhesion. The rapid drying formula allows for multiple coats in just an hour. It creates a waterproof, corrosion-resistant barrier for various applications. You can use it on truck beds, undercoatings, trailers, and boats. It's designed to withstand heavy-duty use. Raptor is a world leader in automotive refinishing. They offer a wide range of products specializing in driving surface perfection. This includes fillers, coatings, aerosols, adhesives, and truck bed liners. What we like. This Raptor kit is built to last, resisting everything from scratches to extreme temperatures. It's also incredibly easy to apply with the included spray gun, making it a breeze to get a professional finish. If you're looking for a bed liner that can handle heavy-duty use and keep your truck bed protected from the elements, you should consider this. What people say. Prepping the surface is absolutely the most important part for all of this. I sanded everything down with 120 grit. Afterwards I wiped everything down with rubbing alcohol. This kit's super easy to use. Just crack open a can, pour 8 ounces of hardener in, recap, shake for 2 minutes and attach to the provided spray gun. Then paint away. All you need is an air compressor. Sprayed evenly and didn't really splatter as some have said in other reviews. I did pour the liner and hardener in a separate container and mix it with a drill. Poured it back in the bottle and sprayed like a charm. I shot it at 65 psi and laid down nice and even. Number 4. HERCULINER HCL 1B8 Roll-On Bed Liner Kit. This is the original do-it-yourself truck bed liner. It's designed for easy application and long-lasting protection. It's a great choice for anyone looking to protect their vehicle. The application process is simple: prep, apply, and let it dry. It can be used on various surfaces, including truck beds, trailers, and more. This makes it a versatile solution for many needs. Once applied, it has a functional cure in 10 to 12 hours and fully cures in 24 hours. This allows you to get back to using your vehicle quickly. It's designed for efficiency and convenience. This is a tough, textured formula that provides a durable, skid-resistant coating. It prevents rust and won't chip, flake, or peel. It offers long-lasting protection for your vehicle. The kit includes everything you need: 1 gallon of bed liner, an application brush, rollers, a roller handle, and an abrasive pad. This ensures you have all the necessary tools for the job. It's a complete solution for your needs. This provides a skid-resistant surface that is 5 times thicker than other roll-ons. This ensures it can withstand harsh conditions and provide superior protection. It's built to last and protect your vehicle. What we like. HERCULINER offers a roll-on application, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts. It creates a skid-resistant surface that won't chip or peel, ensuring long-lasting protection. If you're looking for a cost-effective and easy-to-apply bed liner that provides excellent grip and durability, you should consider this. What people say. It helped me cover a part of my bed that was messed up. I've had this installed for roughly a year. I'm still impressed by the quality. The kit comes with a gallon of liner, a scuff pad, a paintbrush, a 4-roller handle, and 2 texture rollers. Number 3. Custom Coat Black 1 Gallon Truck Bed Liner Kit. Introducing Custom Coat, a professional-grade spray-on truck bed liner. This kit provides a durable, textured protective coating for your truck bed. The kit includes everything you need: base, hardener, and a spray gun with a regulator. With its easy 3-to-1 mix ratio, it's simple to prepare and apply. Custom coat is heat, UV, and waterproof, protecting surfaces from rust. It also dampens sound and vibrations, offering comprehensive protection. Unlike other coatings, it resists chipping and provides impact and abrasion resistance. This makes it perfect for truck beds and various other applications. Use it on vehicle exteriors, chassis, bumpers, and more. It's also great for home use on floors, walls, and toolboxes. Available in various sizes, with spray gun or roller options. You can also choose from over 50 colors to customize your look. What we like. Custom Coat provides professional results with its easy-to-use spray-on kit. It's a durable and flexible coating that resists chipping and offers impact protection. If you like the idea of customizing your truck bed with different colors or creating a unique look, you should consider this. What people say. Over-oxidation and prepped rust. So far it's been very forgiving and durable. 3 coats and good thickness, I'll take it. A coat consists of 2 passes overlapping, diagonally opposite. 100 psi at compressor, reg set at 50 to 55 psi, nozzle 4 turns out, 18 to 20 distance using included spray gun. Easy to spray. Sand with 80 grit, clean with degreaser, and wipe down with lacquer thinner to get rid of residue and soften paint prior to spraying. Goes on beautiful. Number 2. U-POL Raptor Black Truck Bed Liner Kit, 4 liter. This kit is designed to protect your truck bed. It's a durable solution for various surfaces, ensuring long-lasting protection. Compared to other bed liners, this product offers superior strength. It provides exceptional resistance against impacts and abrasions. You can apply it to metal, plastic, wood, and concrete. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. The application process is straightforward, allowing for a variety of finishes. It's designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. For smaller areas, the 2K aerosols are now available. This makes it easier to achieve the desired finish on specific spots. This kit is designed to cover an average truck bed. It provides complete coverage and protection for your truck bed. What we like. This U-POL Raptor kit is designed to be 10 times tougher than other bed liners, ensuring maximum protection. It can be applied to almost any surface, offering versatility. If you are looking for a bed liner that can withstand the toughest conditions and provide a variety of finishes, you should consider this. What people say. The texture looks fantastic and the non-tinnable Raptor coating is as tough as nails. I applied the Raptor coating outdoors about 3 weeks ago using a roller kit that is made for this particular purpose, including a short foot-long extension handle which I used for the entire project and found it to be much better than not using it. As to durability, so far, this stuff is like armor plating. Number 1. Raptor Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. This 2K urethane coating is designed to last. It resists stains, scratches, and extreme temperatures. The UV-resistant formula ensures it won't fade, providing a professional finish. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes the tintable bed liner base, hardener, a spray gun, and instructions. It's designed to cover a truck bed from 6 to 8 feet. Applying it is simple. You can use the included spray gun, or roll or brush it on for custom textures. It bonds to OEM paint and primer. The rapid drying formula allows for multiple coats quickly. It creates a waterproof and impact-proof barrier. This protects truck beds, undercoatings, trailers, and boats. It's designed to withstand heavy-duty use and prevent damage. Raptor is a leader in automotive refinishing. They offer a wide range of products. This includes fillers, coatings, and truck bed liners, specializing in surface perfection. What we like. This Raptor kit offers a tintable formula, allowing you to customize the color of your bed liner. It's also UV resistant, ensuring that it won't fade over time. If you like the idea of matching your bed liner to your truck's paint job or creating a unique look, you should consider this. What people say. Raptor Liner is an incredible product. Used it to paint bumpers, fender flares, and even an aluminum boat to further seal the inside of the hull plus prevent corrosion. If you prep your material well, this stuff works. It doesn't dent or chip with pretty heavy use on the material. The only thing that has damaged the coating I've seen is continuous scraping of a sharp object in my boat when it was being towed or when I hit a parking pole. Even then it was smaller than a penny-sized chip with no more peeling in the surrounding paint. I've used this numerous times over the years. The interior of an off-road vehicle I sprayed 15 years ago still looks great. I add color with urethane paint, then top coat with single-stage urethane. Shines and holds up well. Just awesome. 4-liter tintable kit plus the tint plus my Wrangler tub. Did 3 coats. First coat took 2 liters. Coats 2 and 3 took 1 liter each. Very easy for a DIY application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.